Number 14. The graph shows daily carbon dioxide uptake and transpiration by plant Agave americana. Or Agave. I think it's Agave. The plant is adapted to live in very dry conditions. What can be concluded from this graph? Let's have a look at this graph. So the left side is showing CO2 uptake, and it belongs to this line with black dots. The right side shows transpiration, the rate of transpiration, and it's shown by the white dots, the line with the white dots. So as time goes by in the morning, you can see the CO2 uptake is quite high, and it drops during the day, and it goes up during the night. The CO2 uptake of the leaf or the plant is achieved through the hole or through the pores or holes called stomata. So CO2 goes into the leaves by stomata. So it looks like stomata are closed during light periods because the transpiration, not the transpiration, but CO2 uptake is quite low. And when we talk about transpiration is the loss of water vapor in the mesophyll layer of the leaf through stomata. So water vapor is not going out of the leaf during the day as well. That confirms that stomata are closed during the light periods. Hence, B is the right answer. D, you can't say there's no water uptake during light periods. We simply don't actually know. But transpiration rate is quite, it's not that high, but it's still there. So meaning that it's losing some of the water. That's going to cause a bit of water transport at the root. So I think there is a little bit of water uptake that's happening in the root because there's some transpiration. So we can't say D is correct. The best answer for this question is B.